In a shocking turn of events, OpenAI is entering Hollywood, and they retaking on the big studios with their first ever feature-length animated film. The goal: to show the world that AI can make movies just as good as anything produced by a billion-dollar studio, but much faster and cheaper. The film is called Critterz, and it's set to premiere at the prestigious Cannes Film Festival later this year. The story follows a group of forest creatures who live in a peaceful village. But one day their tranquil way of life is disrupted by the arrival of a mysterious stranger. Without giving too much away, the official logline reads, "When a legendary monster from a terrifying past returns to the forest, an unlikely hero must rise up and save the day." What's really amazing about this film is not just the story, but how it's being made. Unlike traditional animated films, which take around 3 years and hundreds of millions of dollars to complete, Critterz is being produced in just 9 months, with a budget that has less than 1/10 of the typical animated film. That's right, we're talking about a movie made in less than a year for under $30 million. It's mind-boggling to think how a film of this caliber can be made so quickly and cost-effectively. And it really makes you wonder if this is the future of filmmaking. The people behind the project are no strangers to the world of AI, in fact. They re the same folks who created the viral AI art generator DALL-E 2. And they VA assembled an impressive team of over 100 artists and experts in AI, animation, visual effects, storytelling, and more. The result is a movie that looks like a traditional animated film, but it's made with the help of some seriously advanced technology. Some people have expressed concerns that AI-generated movies might soon replace human filmmakers entirely, but OpenAI's co-founder and CEO Sam Altman doesn't seem too worried about that. He sees AI as a tool to enhance the creative process, not replace it. In a recent interview, he said, "I don't think anyone should be worried about AI taking over Hollywood. There are so many things that AI can do that are useful for its creators and can help them make better content faster and more efficiently. But at the end of the day, it's still going to be up to humans to tell the stories." So what do you think? Is AI the future of filmmaking? Or are we just not ready for robot directors yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.